So a lot of people always talk about how important it is to sharpen your knife properly. Yes, that's important, but there's a lot of other important things that a lot of people don't really talk about. One of them is actually maintaining with oil. I say this because a lot of my knives and a lot of stuff I used to do before actually getting deep into the hobby was I would just get a pocket knife, sharpen it, and then just kind of go about my life. Which works, it does work. But there's different steels that are gonna require more maintenance and love and care. Now, when you're getting those steels, most likely they're your mid-range steels. The higher end steels do a lot better because that's why they're more expensive, because they do a lot better in different weathering conditions, especially moisture-wise. Higher end steels are good. Lower end steels are also good. It's your mid-range steels that will get you, because those steels have typically either one or the other. They either have higher in sharpness and hardness, or they have higher in chromium, but they get dull faster. So you're gonna have like that weird mixture. You're either gonna have to pick one or the other. Now, if you go for a D2 steel, you're gonna be taking the, it's gonna stay sharp longer, but you're gonna also have to maintain it better. When I say that is, it's gonna rust, and even if you don't use it for anything corrosive, if you just carry this in your pocket for a few weeks, just the humidity of being in your pocket is enough to rust a D2 steel, which is funny and crazy, but I guess also not at the same time. However, a lot of people just don't talk about is you don't have to get a KPL type of lube, a specific knife lube. You can really just use anything to coat it as long as it's in the lube related field. You can even use WD-40, which it won't last as long, but like typically like stuff like this, why it's so good and nice and why I like it, it's got this little dropper on the end, so it just makes it easier to pinpoint and put the oil on there to be able to keep those ball bearings rolling nice and smooth. But with D2 and other mid-range steels, just being able to properly take care of it is something that not a lot of people always go into. So just remember, sharpening knives are good, but also getting a few little taking care of kits, just a little bit of either rags and oils is gonna help out a lot. Anyways, just remember that is sharpening is important, but also so is oil.